As promised, what's coming up next is Shedtune 69 doing the fire up in the hall.
That's got A&E written all over it. Just tell everybody else who's watching exactly what it is.
Okay.
What you do, obviously you've got to stand in and so on, and just a little bit about your machine, mate, please.
Well, thank you very much, sir. Over to me. So I'm Russ, we're Shedtune, me and Dom. We've got a YouTube channel, we build stuff in our sheds ourselves. We're not brilliant, we do take the piss a lot. So what we've got here is it started life as a Lambretta SX150 and it's heavily modified to go sprinting on. So it's, just everything that you can do to it we tried to do. So it's got a small front wheel on it, we've lowered the fork links to lower the front end, we've angled the front mudguard to try and give us less drag because obviously it's built like a brick. And then we've made all of the bodywork out of fiberglass, the headset, the bottom of the headset, everything is fiberglass as best we can to reduce the weight. Shall I show them the rest of it?
Just bring it around, mate.
Yeah. Well, actually, I'll do it the other way with a carb. We'll go this way. Oh, there we go. And there you have, that's all that's left. So literally we sit on that. It's a frame, looks like it's made out of scaffold. The engine in it's quite special. This is done by a guy called Chalky, who used to own a scooter company, he's just retired, called Replay Racing. Very, very successful BSSO, which is the roundy stuff. We just go the straight line because we can't go around corners, not at our age anyway. This is what started off life as an RB250, built on an Indian engine block. Probably standard out the box is, I don't know, around 28, 30 brake horsepower. This one's putting out 51 at the rear wheel. No rear suspension, which probably is a mistake, but it is what it is. And the idea is that all of then the power goes to the back wheel, and then when you're launching, off you go. It is very scary to ride, I'll be honest with you. I did have to put my big boy pants on the first time we were out on it. We rode it at Melbourne, first time ever, on the 8th mile, and it broke down on the first run. Not too embarrassing, I had to push it all the way back. Lots of people, especially motorcyclists, were pointing and laughing. But hey, it is what it is. It's surprising how quickly you do get used to these things, because the previous bike we were sprinting was 32 brake horse. All of our bikes are road legal, by the way, so you know, if you see us on the M25 going past you, you'll know we're out road testing. But as I say, 50 brake horsepower, is a massive jump in power. Wheelbase is standard length. It probably weighs, I don't know, less than 100 kilos, easily, and it is very angry, as you're just about to see. So I'll hand them over back to you, and we'll
thanks, mate. I heard this running yesterday. It does sound very angry, and it just sounds bloody fast and dangerous, to be honest.
Too grippy. Need some water. That'll do.
Thank you very much.
No burnout.
That's lovely.
There we go.
Need some practice on your
I know, I needed some water.
Now the decent one's going to do one.
We caned the arse off of it, even though we probably shouldn't have done, just for the entertainment of the people at Newark. Anyway, thanks very, very much for watching. Don't forget, give it a like, a subscribe, a thumbs up maybe, send some stickers in. Dom wants to say something, but I don't know what. Right, that's it. See ya. Bye.